You know those days when nothing goes right? You wake up, you spill your coffee, you hit every red light, and it feels like the whole world is against you. It's like the universe is saying, not today, and by the time your head hits the pillow that night, you wonder if it's all worth it, right? But what about the days when the opposite happens? You feel unstoppable. The right opportunities show up, all the lights are green, you get a check in the mail. It's like the universe is on your side, right? That's not luck, my friends. That is alignment. That's what happens when you step into the power of holistic manifesting. Good afternoon, Blazers, and welcome back to Manifest Your Best Life Live. I am so thrilled to have you here during your lunch, and if we haven't met, I am Rhonda Dillard, and it is my passion to help ambitious women just like you manifest vibrant health, joy, and financial freedom right now so you can truly enjoy your life and embrace an early retirement. Today we're diving deep into how holistic manifesting can completely transform your life from the inside out. And before we get started, let me share a gift with you. I have created a free manifesting guide to help you get started. It is packed with simple, powerful habits that will align your energy with your goals and set you on a path to abundance. I'll put the link in the comments for you, okay? Now let's get real for a moment. Most of us spend our days just getting by. That's how I was. Woke up tired, ran through the motions, go to bed feeling like I didn't accomplish anything, and really, truly, nothing really mattered, right? It's not because you're lazy or unmotivated. It's because life has piled on so much stress and noise and doubt that we've forgotten how to live intentionally. We've forgotten how to dream. And when we're stuck in that cycle, it feels so heavy. It feels like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders with no way out, right? But let me tell you something. There is a way out, and you don't have to stay stuck. You can create a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. And holistic manifesting is the key, I can tell you that. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is holistic manifesting. The word holistic by itself brings different connotations. Some people think that holistic means going to see a doctor and they give you all these natural supplements, right? And while that can be true, that is not what holistic means in the whole sense of the word, okay? Holistic means treating your body in a different way. Treating your mind, your body, and your soul, okay, all in congruence. So, holistic manifesting is about bringing your entire self, okay, your mind, body, and soul into alignment with your desires. That's that missing key, right? That's what we forget about. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts or setting goals, although that works along with it with intention. It's about taking care of the whole you so that you are vibrating at a high frequency that attracts abundance naturally. And I know we talk about high frequency and don't really explain it very well, but let me tell you, if you have ever, when you feel, it's not if you have ever, because I know you have felt this, when you feel happy, when you feel in alignment, when you feel in congruence with the people in the room, when you feel like you've done something very well, that is when you're on the highest of frequencies, right? When you feel all that passion and love and all of that. Why does it matter? Because when one part of you is out of sync, then whether it's your mindset or your energy or your health, You create resistance. Resistance in that vibration, right? You block your blessings. But when you're aligned, everything flows. Imagine your life is like a river, okay? And when water flows smoothly, it nourishes everything that it touches. But if there are blockages, negative thoughts, stress, unhealthy habits, the water stagnates. Holistic manifesting can remove those blockages and get everything flowing smoothly again, okay? Let's talk about something that most people overlook when it comes to manifesting: your health. Now, your body is the greatest tool for manifesting. When you are in optimal health, you feel energized, you feel strong, you feel vibrant, right? You're operating at your highest frequency. Think about how you feel after you have a really good workout. That's when the universe takes notice and says, this one's ready for abundance, okay? But let's be real, most of us don't wake up feeling that way. We're tired, we're stressed, and at our age we have aches and pains every single day, some of us. And that low energy blocks our ability to attract the life that we want. And this is why I always include health in my manifesting journey. It's why I take care of my body with nourishing foods, movement, and even supplemental tools. Now, I'm not perfect. Nobody is. I'm not perfect. Some days I have bad days where I just want a big tub of popcorn. You know, that's just going to come about. But every day you make a choice. Every meal you make a choice. Every time that you have scheduled yourself to go to the gym, you make a choice, or to get on that treadmill. So let's talk about what manifesting really feels like. Some of you have heard the word manifesting and you don't really know what it is. Do you remember the last time that you really, truly felt lucky? Like everything was falling into place? You couldn't stop smiling? That's what happens when you're in alignment, okay? When you manifest holistically, you wake up each day feeling clear, focused, unstoppable. But you're not going to be able to do it without the tools. You start to see opportunities everywhere. You notice how the right people and the right circumstances show up exactly when you need them. And it's not because you're forcing anything at all. It's because your energy is in sync with your desires. You're no longer pushing that against that current. You're flowing with it. And let me tell you, there's no better feeling in the world. But let's not ignore the reality. Most of us have blocks that hold us back from manifesting the life that we want. The biggest ones are self-doubt, that little voice that says you're not good enough. Stress and anxiety are huge blocks, and these drain your energy and keep you stuck in survival mode. Lack of clarity is a big one. If you don't know what you want, how can you attract it? And negative energy, whether it's toxic people or a toxic environment or your own thoughts. Negativity lowers your vibration and blocks any kind of abundance that you have. So here's the good news. Every single one of these blocks can be overcome. And that's exactly why you start with my free guide. It can help you start relieving yourself of all of these blocks. My free guide, the must-have guide to manifesting, is your first step, okay? That first step to breaking those blocks and stepping into your power. And inside you're going to find 3 essential, non-negotiable habits. I will say that again, non-negotiable habits of all successful manifestors. They swear by these: gratitude, meditation, and visualization. They are non-negotiable. That means that they do these habits every single day. And these are uber successful people. These are not just people that are successful with money, but they are successful because they are happy. They live a joyful life. These habits are simple, but they are truly life-changing. They align your energy, they clear your mind, and they create the perfect space for abundance to flow. From this guide, I created something very extraordinary for you. It's called the Daily Manifesting Routine. That transforms these habits into an easy, actionable system. Just a few minutes every day. But it delivers incredible results. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your life, helping you stay aligned, focused, and empowered, no matter what's going on around you. Wouldn't that be nice? Making something as difficult as manifesting optimal health, these simple habits are easy to do, but just as easy not to do. You got to remember that. My friends, life does not have to feel heavy. You don't have to wake up every day just going through the motions. You are capable of so much more than just getting by. You are capable of thriving, of living with joy and peace and purpose. Holistic manifesting is how you get there. It's how you align your life so that good things don't just happen. They become your normal. And let's keep building this incredible life together. You've got what it takes. And I am here to walk this journey with you every step of the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. And remember, your attitude is everything. Make it the most positive thing in your life. Have a great day, everybody.